Hey, it's Gina with WTI. One of my favorite essential oil blends to use for relaxation and calming properties is this blend by doTERRA called Peace. Some ways that I really love to use it are to put a few drops in my diffuser in our living room, and it really just promotes a very calm atmosphere. I also like to use it in a diffuser on my bedside. I have a smaller diffuser there, so I use about 2 drops in that one. For my larger diffuser, I'll use about 5 drops. This is also really nice to apply to the back of your neck or your pulse points, and then breathe in deeply a few times to really get the most benefits from this oil aromatically. I also like to use this little trick to put a few drops in my hands and then put it in my hair, because that can act as a natural diffuser, and it'll last for a few hours when I first apply it. The first oil in this blend is vetiver. Vetiver is from a root and is very grounding. It also has some floral scents, lavender, ylang-ylang, clary sage, and then you also have frankincense and spearmint that really round out the scent. This is a 5 ml bottle, which holds about 80 drops of oil. This is so great to use around the house to really promote a restful and calm atmosphere, and that's my point of view.